Come with me. I'm heading to the master bedroom here. Oh my goodness, look at the closets. Love, love, love this organized closet here. Makes life so much easier. Oh, there you go. Come with me. I'm guessing this is for her. Or maybe this is for him. The other side is for her. More drawers, as you can see. Get your stuff organized and put away. It is. What's the price on this one? Oh gosh, look at the tub. It makes me sing. Ooh, I can line this tub. I won't go in there because I won't be able to get up easily. Loving my hairdo today. All natural tresses for me today. No wigs. It's too hot here in Florida. Yeah. Woo! Love the finishes on this here towel hanger. This gorgeous shower is calling my name. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Oh, you gotta push it in. Can't push it out. I'm just loving this shower head, this rain shower head, and the towels. Oh my gosh. Woo, I just love it. Love the shutters, plantation shutters. I love the colors on the finishes, on the brass finish, and everything about this bathroom is gorgeous. Even the John, love the shape of the toilet. So here we go. Come across the side over to the master suite where the master bed is going to be located. This is a broker open house. Oh, look at the fan, look at the coppered ceiling. I just love it. All it needs now is some touch of exquisite decor and furniture. I know where to get that. So come with me. Look at these hurricane impact doors. Beautiful view of the pool. Outdoor kitchen. Look at the floor. It's just gorgeous. And here we go. This is the master plan at Miromar Lakes Beach and Golf Club. This is the master. Side and side. That's the stairway leading up to the upstairs. Come with me. This is one of the powder rooms here. I just love this sink. It's calling my name. And this is the exquisite laundry room, which could be a walk-in closet or master. But look at this. Everything will be tucked away nicely in here. All the stuff you need to store will be in these cabinets. Laundry detergent, decorative items. Look at the tile. They take detail in everything. Beautiful, exquisite details. It reminds me of the beach and the sand. That's the sand. This is the turquoise color of the water. And look at the sand color there on the cupboard. So you put your clothes here to dry, your delicates, you store away all of the other items that you need for laundry day, your detergents, your soap, your softeners, everything. Storage for everything. Okay? All the details is already thought out for you. So I think this door here leads out to the garage. And a very, very huge 3-car garage. As you see there. Let's go back here. Lots of stuff happening out here. This is a broker open house. Let's cross over to here. This would be office slash den here. Look at the carpet ceilings again. Very nice. Very big open window to let in all of the sunlight. It's just amazing. I love it. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at the doors. Alrighty. This is Michelle B. I'm vlogging today for the broker open house here in Miromar Lakes. Look at this loft area. It's huge. It's tremendous. And the view that you get, oh my God. Oh my God, the view that you get. Look at this. I am in love. Here is another bedroom here. Opens out to the balcony as well. Where should I go first? I think this tile is calling me in this nicely laid out bathroom here. Beautiful counters. Oh, love the color features that they chose for this. Love the colors and even the toilets. I love the sleek design of the toilet here. Love the colors of the wall. Soft, soothing, and spa-like feel. And here's the closet for your guest, or your grandchild, or whoever is coming to visit. All right. And you get a view. Look at this, a view from the loft. Someone comes to the door, you can definitely see who's at the door. How can you beat that? Well, good. Look at this. Cabinets, the TV can go here. Furnitures and big sofa can go there. Yeah, I'm telling you. Look at the closet again, all organized for you to hang your closet to store everything that you need. So everything is organized, right? This is for your fan. Yes, we're in Florida. It helps with circulation. High ceilings. It's great, but you still need a fan. It's great. Ooh, ooh, look at that. The John with a view. John with a view. Ooh, I love these shots. I'm telling you, I'm getting a beach vibe in this home here. Oh, oh, I'm getting a beach vibe in this beautiful decorated home here at Miromar Lakes. Look at the view from this bathroom. Look, you sit here with a view. Sit with a view. How can you beat that? I'm telling you. Beautifully designed. I am loving it. Okay, I'm heading back downstairs. The bay window here. Not a bay window. Nice glass window to let in all of the sunlight. So here I go. Down the steps here. Hello. It's such a great design. The colors are awesome. Nicely selected floors. Beautiful colors. It's just awesome. I'll leave it there with you today. Gorgeous home.